Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Honda Pilot vs CX-90 full comparison. Focus on seating, cargo, performance, tech, and safety as we go. I want to keep this friendly and practical so you can choose with confidence. We start with cabin space and comfort, then move to engine options and towing ability, finish with tech, safety, and cost considerations to help narrow your decision. Let's look at interior and cargo in a straightforward way. The Pilot tends to prioritize space and simplicity, making daily loading and family trips easier. The CX-90 leans toward upscale finishes and a more driver-centric cockpit while still offering practical storage. I will compare third-row comfort, seat folding options, and trunk volume so you know which cabin layout matches your lifestyle and hauling needs. Quick recommendation: if you pack lunches for drives, I love these leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy and prevent spills in cup holders and cargo areas. They stack neatly and lock closed, perfect for family travel with the Pilot or CX-90. If this sounds useful, subscribe and like if you're enjoying the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now, performance and efficiency. The Pilot typically delivers predictable V6 power and comfort-oriented ride tuning, ideal for long family drives. The CX-90 brings turbocharged engines and a sportier feel without sacrificing everyday usability. I will compare acceleration, towing limits, handling, and real-world fuel numbers so you can weigh power versus economy and choose the drivetrain that fits your priorities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.